check the news.
将大局逆转吧！
Das war ein Befehl! Der Angriff Steiners war ein Befehl!
Oh no, this is a food outside or not. Maybe it's the snowstorm or what? Yes, I the key. Ready guys, what? What happened that? It's a snowstorm coming. No way. Wait, what? What kinda was that? I don't know, twin. Maybe want to stay with. Keep you safe in the snowstorm. Man, are you okay? Why are you so surprised? Yeah, it's that because we have a snowstorm tomorrow at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Yeah. Now we want to watch Bubble Guppies. Yeah. No, it's my turn to watch TV. Can we watch my favorite cartoons? Yeah. No, it's my turn to watch my TV to my friends. No, I want to watch Bubble Guppies. I want to watch Bubble Guppies. I want to watch Bubble Guppies. And the winner is Sarah. I said no. Please, I beg you. I said no. We begging you. I said no, no cartoons for you. Oh, Lilith, let's get some tablet. What's going on in the news? Okay. Oh no, it's a snowstorm is coming tonight. Yeah.